I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past.
What's up and welcome to or back to my channel. For today's video, I partner with Varia Hair to bring you all this very realistic bob wig unit. This is for the grown women only. That's what I was saying here because it gives, I have a corporate job, 2-3 kids, and I'm somebody's wife. Let's get right into it. For my foundation, I did a braidless, well, a cornrow-less foundation with 2 slick back braids going into 2 more braids for a total of 4 braids. And after ponytailing them at my nape, I'm just going to bring the ends up and bobby pin the ends to the middle of my head. And this gave me a flat seamless foundation. I love that I discovered doing my foundations this way because it saves a lot of time and it just puts less tension on my hair, honestly. Now that I have my foundation all down, let's get into the unboxing of this hair. Varia Hair got straight into it. They did not do too much. A HD wig cap as well as the wig unit itself and some literature for you to know how to take care of and maintenance your hair. My wig is 12 inches, 180 density, HD lace, and a 5x5 closure. And as you can see, the cap construction comes with adjustable combs, the drawstring, the adjustable band, and the standard combs all around. This is how the lace looks. It is HD like I said, and now I'm just putting on my HD wig cap. While I go through that process, because you all have seen it multiple times, I just want to give Varia Hair their flowers. Whenever they reached out, they said that this wig was for the grown women, and I see why they said it. Like, this density on this unit is very realistic. This is the perfect everyday unit when you want something that is not a thick bob, but you want it to look, again, realistic. And they hand make these units. Everything is customizable. You pick your length, obviously, but then in addition to that, you pick the type of lace that you want, HD or transparent, what size closure you want. Do you want a frontal? Do you want your part in the middle, a C-curve part on the right or the left side? Do you want it layered or not? And I really appreciated that they took the time to ask a question about every aspect of this unit. They even asked if I wanted my lace trimmed. So if you're a beginner wig wearer, or if you just don't have a lot of time and energy to put into your units, then this is a great option for you because, again, you can customize every single aspect of how you want your unit to look. So now that we have it on, we're just getting the lumps and bumps out and getting a feel for how it's looking overall. Fun fact, I have no idea where my hot comb is, so we did a makeshift hot comb when it comes to flattening that top out and just use the curling iron because it gets the same job done. I appreciate it also with this unit that because the part was where I needed it to be, you know, normally with most bobs, it comes with centered lace for a middle part and then you got to shift it around and even out the length around the neck and around your shoulders, but this came ready made. Now, my one qualm with this unit was these corner seams. They just kept poking out. I tried to trim them, but you'll see that they kept poking out toward the end, but that's a minor thing. We're just going to shift it around and see what the lace is doing, whether we need to trim any off, how we need to shift the wig as far as how it's sitting. And again, I loved that I did not have to take anything off of the ends. The length was absolutely perfect. And it came with a little bit of texture on it, which inspired me to do beach waves. I haven't done beach waves in a minute, so I figured a bob is always the perfect time to try out beach waves. But before I do that, I'm going to lay my lace down. Y'all already know what I'm using, my wig dealer lace melting spray. And I find that if you put it on a makeup brush rather than trying to spray it directly onto your lace or your wig, it goes on a lot better. It's a lot cleaner of an install and you target the places that need the product to be applied so that you're not wasting the good stuff. And as y'all see here, this lace is very thin, very HD, and it blended so well with my skin. I was impressed with Varia's lace. And now I'm gonna tie that down while I go through and style. And while I do these beach waves, I'm gonna let this music rock because it's too good to keep to myself for just the intro. And these beach waves speak for themselves. Oh, but before I do that, I am gonna go through and pluck my part just a little bit because it wasn't unnecessarily thick, but y'all know I always go in and do some extra tweaking of my own. But let's get these beach waves going and I will see y'all in a second.
I know it's possible. Will my devotion last? He says there's no me without him. Please help me forget about him. He takes all my energy, trapped in my memory, constantly holding me, constantly holding me. I need to tell you all the pain he's caused. I need to tell you I'm undone because I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last to finally be in love and know the real meaning of a lasting relationship, not based on ownership. You love me despite myself. Sometimes I fight myself. I just can't believe that you would have anything to do with someone so insecure, someone so immature. I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last? I gotta find peace of mind. What a merciful, what a merciful God.
So y'all see me struggling with this little bit of baby hair, and like I said, these wigs, this wig company is for the grown woman. I don't think they made these units for a bunch of edges to be added to them, and that's well and dandy, but I just wanted a one little swoop-de-doo just to put in the side of my bob. So now I'm just taking down my curls, and as y'all see, that seam did not want to let me be great, but that was, again, the one qualm that I had with this unit. And also the curls didn't hold the best, but because it came with some texture already in it, I did not mind that. Again, this was a unit that just gave corporate mommy. Their customer service was top tier, and again, I love that you can customize every aspect of your unit. So if you're looking for a wig experience that feels custom and tailored to you, to your needs, your desires, and does not break the bank, then Varia Hair is a great find. They're a gem. Here's how it looks in the 360 form. Y'all already know all of the information for this unit, as well as any discount codes, will be listed in the description box. If you like a natural bob, a natural unit, and you're looking for an everyday unit to add to your collection, go ahead and shop Varia Hair, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Later.
Every day's another chance.